All right, guys, welcome back to the Fence Armor channel. Happy Friday, everyone. It's a great day to be alive, as it is every day. Every so often, you need to get out there and work on your deck, make sure that it's in good shape. We've gone through some deck maintenance. This deck is over 20 years old. It's still going fine. Wood requires a little bit of maintenance every couple of years or 3 years. We always use the Expert product for obvious reasons. It's a great product. Using the EcoClean product to clean off the deck, you can see foaming up and getting rid of all the organics and getting that all out of the way. We pressure washed it clean, just a soft wash, got it all out of the way. We let it dry. We measured the moisture in the moisture meter, and we're down below 12%. So it was time to start staining. If it's higher than 12%, it's just too wet. You also want to look at boards. If some of your boards are cracked or damaged, you're probably going to replace those. It only makes sense. If some of those boards have come loose over the years, the fasteners have failed, nail or screw fastening your boards to your deck, that's what you want to do. Make sure everything is as good as it's going to be so that when you're staining a nice surface. You want the wood ready to suck on that stain and take it in so that it nourishes the grain. You can see from how the wood is really receiving stain, it's really sucking it up, and it looks beautiful. And of course, I use the Fence Armor brush because it is the best brush I've ever used. It really is designed for oil-based stains. It doesn't drip. It holds a lot of stain, and when you're using it very vigorously, it really holds onto the bristle. And it's the only 7-inch bristle we're aware of that has any pig bristle, natural pig bristle in it. So that's what makes it so unique. It really is a great brush. You want to be able to get that stain down. Sometimes I'm down on my knees and I'm brushing it right in. Sometimes I have the pole attachment, so the brush works both ways. It's nice to be able to, stand up so you're not on your knees. But when you're up against a corner, you can use the handle, and now you can get in those corners really nicely. The other thing to mention, you'll have a brand new boards over here, and you have old boards over here. Get everything the same color. Use an EcoClean and a brightener. Get the woods looking similar, so you're starting from the same baseline. In a couple of years, maybe 3 years, we'll be back and touching up the deck again. That'll be true of any deck or any fence where you have sprinklers or something coming across, so you're going to have to redo those areas sooner than you would areas that aren't being touched by the sprinklers every day. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining the Fence Armor channel. If you have questions, you have comments, our team will get back to you. We really appreciate your questions. We look forward to having you back next week. Thank you for liking and subscribing Fence Armor.